Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the craziest new AI tools I've ever tested. It's called Higgsfield Face Swap, and it basically lets you swap your face into any video instantly. No deepfake setup, no editing, just upload and boom, you're in the video. I was already curious about their platform. They're one of the fastest growing GenAI video apps right now, with tens of millions of users and new features dropping almost daily. It's a GenAI video creation platform. Think of it as your one-stop shop for AI-powered videos. You can generate clips, edit them, animate, and now, with this new feature, swap faces instantly. The cool part is that everything runs right in your browser or on your phone. You don't need powerful hardware or a fancy GPU. You just log in, upload your video, pick a face, and the AI does all the hard work. It's fast. Everything happens in seconds. It's incredibly easy to use, even if you've never edited a video before, and the quality is way better than most free AI tools I've tried. What really excites me is how creators can actually use this. You could swap your face into cinematic B-roll to make storytelling more personal, create quick concept videos without hiring actors, or even use it for educational explainers, like putting yourself into historical footage for visual impact. I can see a ton of YouTubers and TikTokers running wild with this feature. It's literally plug-and-play creativity. Seamlessly integrate new faces into any image. Higgsfield's Face Swap is the definitive tool for marketers, artists, and content creators. AI Face Swap tool is engineered for consistency. Generate anything from photorealistic portraits and artistic styles to animation and digital art, while perfectly preserving the source face. Discover advanced AI face swap features that deliver professional-grade results without the complexity. These core features ensure results for any professional workflow. Keep subjects, lighting, and environments consistent across shots, enabling smooth, professional storytelling. Swap faces between photos, paintings, and even 3D models. Model adapts to different artistic styles for limitless creative fun. Open Higgsfield Face Swap. On the Higgsfield Face Swap page, you'll see two big boxes on the left labeled Your Photo and Target Image, and a large preview on the right. Your Photo is where you upload the face you want to insert. Target Image is the photo or video frame that contains the face you want to replace. The bright button at the bottom says Face Swap for free. That's how you start the process. Click the Your Photo box and upload. Pick a clear, front-facing portrait, ideally head and shoulders with a neutral background. The tool expects a clean face image so it can map features accurately. If you generated multiple faces, upload one at a time and save the file. Next, click Target Image and upload the picture or video frame where you want the face replaced. For videos, pick a short clip or export a single frame to test first. This helps you confirm alignment before processing the whole clip. Good targets are medium close-ups with a steady head angle. Hit the big Face Swap for free button. The AI will process. It usually takes only a few seconds to a minute, depending on clip length and resolution. You'll see a progress indicator and then a preview in the right pane where the swapped face appears in context. Watch closely. This is where you check whether the mouth movement, skin tone, and head rotation look natural. When you're happy, use the Download/Export button. Streamline your creative workflow. Instantly export your generated face swap to animation and create videos easily. Alright everyone, I've already generated a few realistic faces using an AI portrait tool so we can test multiple looks. I'll use these and then swap them into different target images. Let's try something different. The AI even keeps the hair and makeup style intact while blending expressions in. What's wild is how easy this is. I'm literally just clicking swap and waiting a few seconds. The results come back in full HD, ready to download or post. Okay, next one. Let's get weird. You can see how flexible the tool is. It's not just for jokes. You could use this for storytelling, visual effects, or even professional video work where you need different characters but don't have multiple actors. The more I play with it, the more I realize how powerful this tech is. It's not just entertainment. It's a peek into how AI might change filmmaking, social media, and even education. Of course, it's not perfect every single time. If your original clip has weird lighting or you're turning your head too fast, the AI sometimes struggles a little. But even then, it's shockingly consistent. So yeah, It's not meant to replace professional VFX just yet, but for creators like us, it's more than enough to make viral, shareable content. When you're happy, use the Download/Export button. Choose the highest resolution option available so you can edit further in your NLE, Premiere, Final Cut, DaVinci. Name your exports clearly. Import the result into your editor. Do small color tweaks, match skin temperature and saturation, and add a subtle grain or blur to integrate edges if needed. If there's a mismatch in facial motion, a single frame face overlay or frame blend can help smooth quick head turns. Always avoid using someone else's likeness without permission. Use AI-generated faces or faces you own the rights to. Transparency builds trust. All right, that's my full take on Higgsfield's new face swap feature. It's fun, fast, and surprisingly powerful. Huge thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video and letting me test it out. If you want to try it yourself, there's a link down below. It's totally free to sign up and start experimenting. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe for more AI-powered content, and let me know in the comments what you'd use Face Swap for. I might even try your ideas in a follow-up video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Maybe with a different face.